Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to activate and validate an SSL certificate for a Namecheap domain. Alright, let's begin. First, access cPanel. You can do this in two ways. The first way is by going to the domain list. Here, navigate to domains under all products, scroll down, and find the server icon. Click on Go to cPanel. The second way is to go to the hosting list and then select cPanel directly from there. Once in cPanel, locate the Namecheap SSL section under Namecheap Customers. You should find it listed among other options. Click on Namecheap SSL to proceed. If prompted, you may need to sign in. If you are already signed in, you should see a green indicator that allows you to continue without additional login steps. Look for the option to proceed to the SSL installation. Next, you will see a list of domains ready for SSL installation. Select the domain for which you want to install the SSL certificate. Click on the Install Certificate button next to your chosen domain. The system will initiate the installation process. You will see a message indicating that the installation is in progress. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, the status will update to active. After the installation, it's a good idea to verify that the SSL certificate is correctly installed. You can use an SSL checker tool online to confirm the installation and ensure everything is working as expected. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.